I'm Oswego Police Chief Jason Bastin. The loss of a child is a tragedy beyond words, and our hearts remain with the family and everyone impacted by the tragic crash that occurred at Portillo's on July 30th. After 3 months of investigation and review by the Kendall County State's Attorney's Office, the Oswego Police Department has determined that no charges will be filed against the driver. Our investigation determined the driver mistakenly pressed the accelerator instead of the brake, causing the vehicle to strike the building. The investigation included interviews with witnesses and victims, a review of medical records, toxicology testing, phone data analysis, and a full reconstruction of the crash. The vehicle's crash data recorder showed that in the 5 seconds before impact, the brake was never applied. Instead, the accelerator was fully depressed, causing the vehicle to accelerate from just 6 miles per hour to nearly 15 miles per hour at impact. Toxicology results did not reveal the presence of alcohol. Testing did show a THC level of 1.4 nanograms per milliliter, which is below Illinois' legal threshold for DUI. Based on these results and officer observations, impairment was determined not to be a factor in the crash. Additionally, phone data confirmed the driver was only using her phone for GPS navigation. There was no evidence of distracted driving. Some may wonder why the driver was not charged with reckless homicide or involuntary manslaughter. The driver's actions did not meet the requirements for those charges because there was no willful or wanton disregard for the safety of others. Additionally, no citations were issued because Illinois law limits what charges can be filed for crashes on private property, and none of those apply to this case. This was a careful and comprehensive investigation. The Oswego Police Department determined that no criminal charges were warranted. The Kendall County State's Attorney's Office reviewed our investigation, found that it was thorough and complete, and concurred that no charges were warranted. This was a tragic accident in which the driver was at fault, but her actions were not criminal. We extend our deepest sympathies to those who were affected by this heartbreaking loss. We encourage all drivers to remain attentive and cautious to help prevent future accidents.